Hi, I'm Dave from Wild Tracks Camper Vans, and this is one of our Discover conversions. Show you the roof first. So this is one of Skyline's Aurora roofs, which features locking cams as opposed to the roof rack straps. All you do is insert the key, turn it, and it unlocks the cam. I'll go and do the other side. Insert the key, turn it, and it unlocks. And then simply just give it a push, and then there's your roof up. So it's a lot neater as you've got no straps. This one features a scenic canvas, so you can unzip it. So at the top have your gin and tonic whilst you're looking out. So from the outside you can see the Skyline roof. These are the locking cams that lock the roof down and hold it down, help you reduce wind noise and give a really good seal, so works really well. You can see the scenic canvas zip here, all marine grade material, so super waterproof, and the roof shell itself is quite low profile compared to a lot of roofs, so looks better when it's down as well. So yeah, great product from Skyline. So you've also got, when you're driving, a hatch that slides across to neaten up the canvas, so when you come back you can pull this open. And then to push it up, it features a bifold, so it gives you more headroom at the back. The trick to this, push it here to get this to work, and then literally just push and it will go up on its own. And then you've got your bed and all your headspace. This conversion features a dual hob, a sink with a tap with cold water, and then as a space saving, you get a top loading fridge. Nice and deep, nice and practical. A little cage as well. By having the top loading fridge, essentially gives you some extra space, because most people would have a fridge down here, whereas this gives you some extra drawers, so you have a bit more storage space and a nice fridge. So all our camper vans are controlled from here. We've got the heating control here, which it's got the smart controller on it, so you can set timers, turn the heating on, use it as ventilation. Moving down, we've got the battery tester, which tells you the level of the battery, the level of your leisure battery, dual USBs, and a couple of 230-volt plugs for when you're on electric hookup. So our Discover conversion features a rib bed, matching trim with the front. Really simple to use. Best thing about these, sit on one side and sleep on the other, so you get a comfortable seat and then a nice mattress on the other side. So put a ratchet, flip this over, leave that to where you want, reach over, pull this, that section comes down, you've got a nice flat bed. Last thing to do is recline the back, so this can be fixed into any position that you want, so you can sit up in bed, push it all the way down until you've got the flat bed, and then you've got 6'2" bed. To put it back up, you can lift the back up first, so use the strap at the back, ratchet, pull that up to wherever you want, simply reach in here, use the metal, flip that up and over, that locks, and then you're just going to flip this over as well, again using the ratchet. So lift the ratchet, flip this over. When you get to about here, you'll want to fish out the seat belt and then just let it shut down. It'll last a little bit. And there you go, simple as that. All our conversions feature some sort of table. This one's got one at the end here, so just simply undo the strap, pull the table out, give this a flip, and then just hook it onto the table rail, and then you can position it any position that you want. So all our conversions feature some premium features. So we've got edge banded rather than knock on trim around most of the stuff. All the drawers are soft close. In this cupboard you've got your water and a pump. You've got your gas safety shut-off valve at the back there. Loads of storage, some shelves in here. Again, all nicely edge banded. all the lights to touch. So this one is on a dimmer, and then these are all touch as well, so simply just touch them with the master on-off switch for the lights just down here. All our conversions feature either a gas locker or underslung gas. This one is a gas locker designed for a camping gas bottle. You get all the connections that you need. Simply screw them on and then screw them onto the regulator, and then you can close it up with that. In this cupboard here you'll feature your 230 volt extension lead to plug in at the campsite. You've also got your consumer unit with your safety switches there, and then in this back cupboard you don't really need to press any buttons in here. It's all self-managed, all good quality Victron controllers. You've got your DC to DC battery charger for when you're driving. You've got your 230 volt charger as well, all your fuses, and then all our vans come solar panel ready, so if you did want to add a solar panel, we can simply connect that up. All good. So most of the vans will come with either a single or a double at the front. Both will swivel. This is a single swivel seat. It's a Volkswagen one, so nice and simple. There's a lever at the front. Pull the seat slightly forwards so that the seat will spin past the B pillar. Use the handle, and then it will just spin round, and you can put it into any position that you want. Put your armrest back down, and you're good to go. So to bring the roof down, first of all we're going to pull the bed down. So simply just pull it towards you, and down it comes. So you're going to turn around. You've got two grab handles at the top here. So you're just going to reach up, grab those, pull the roof down slowly. Just, oh my watch. Siri doesn't understand. So you're going to reach up, grab the two handles, pull it down slowly, making sure you've got at least a door or a window open for the air to go somewhere. Pull it down. Once you get it down here, you can pull the canvas in, just make sure it's nice and neat. And again at the front, you're going to want to pull the canvas into the van and then put it all the way down. Once you've done that, you simply get the Skyline key, insert the key onto the lock, turn it a full 180 degrees until you get a good solid connection with the cam. Do that to both sides and you're good to go. That's it, nice and locked, ready to drive.